Hey everyone, welcome back to another installation video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Toyota GR86 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint film will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lenses. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So to start off the installation, we want to make sure we remove any contaminants that the headlight might have. So just apply your slip solution and then just wipe off any contaminants that it might have. Once we finish doing the prep, now we just apply slip solution once again. But this time the slip solution is used in order for us to move the film around. So just align it from this end first, so right in this corner. You make sure you're following the curve of the headlight. And all we're going to do is just apply tack solution. So lift the film from one end, apply it underneath and on top of the film. And then with your squeegee, tack it down, but make sure you're holding it in place. That way the film doesn't move. And now that we have this section tacked down, we're just going to work our way here. So we're just going to require just a little bit of stretching to meet this edge here. So just lift the film, apply a little bit of slip solution, and just stretch it until it meets the edge here. So roughly around there. And all we're going to do is just lift the film and now apply tack solution. That way we can start tacking the whole film down. And make sure when you're squeegeeing, you remove all of the solution that's behind the film, because if you don't, you'll be able to see the water bubbles once you turn on the lights. So just make sure you remove all of the solution. And then just wipe it clean, just so you can have a better visual on and seeing if there's any water behind the film. Once you see that you don't have any, now we could post heat all around to seal each edge and help the adhesive activate. Post heat, just apply tack solution all around the edge, and then with your microfiber towel and heat, just go all around to start sealing everything. Okay, so that concludes the installation for the headlight for the 2022 GR86. If you guys do have any questions regarding the installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Make sure to give the video a like, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next one.